What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle, and welcome to another cooking video just for you subscribers out there. Now today is actually another installment of our ketogenic barbecue series, and today we're going to be making the staple of pretty much anything poultry or pork that's going to be going out on your grill, and that is a dry rub. Now I use the same dry rub for all of my poultry and all of my pork, so this thing covers anything from chicken leg quarters to a whole chicken to ribs to pulled pork, whatever, I use this rub for it. Now if that sounds interesting to you guys, hang on tight so I can show you how to make it. Alright everybody, this is a dry rub, so there's really nothing special to talk about here other than the ingredients. So we've got a 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of pink Himalayan salt, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of red pepper, and a tablespoon of white pepper. Now this is going to make a whole lot more than just one serving of the dry rub. You'll probably be able to store this for, I don't know, couple months worth of uses depending on how often you use it, but I like to make it in bulk, that way I don't have to do this every single time. So basically we're just going to go ahead here and combine all of our ingredients right into this bowl. I think I used every small dish that I own to try to lay these out. And then we're just going to take a whisk here and get it nice and mixed up. Well, now that you guys have seen how to make that dry rub, I am here for what would normally be the taste test, but I don't really see a point in taste testing this because you guys know exactly what it tastes like. You've seen all the spices in it. So what I'm going to talk about here instead is how I store it. Basically, I take one of these large spice containers and just fill it up, relabel it, and that's that. This thing can get pretty full depending on how much I make, but I use this stuff so often that I go through it probably once a month. It will hold as pretty much as long as any of the spices that you've put in there will hold for, so this isn't something you have to worry about going bad. So I say make a ton of it, fill up one of these containers, and throw it in your pantry. You never really know what you're going to use it for, but trust me, anything pork or poultry related, it is fantastic on. With that guys, I'm going to go ahead and close the video. If you liked the video, leave it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so guys. It helps me out a lot, but also, I didn't make this for show. We're going to be making several different types of pork and chicken, so subscribe so you're notified when those come out. But with that guys, I'll see you in the next one.